Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Motorola DTR600 two-way radio walkie-talkie and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this not connecting or not working, or if it seems to be not responding, or you're having issues with sound, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this, and you're going to need to do it anyway, is if you just want to get this set up as a new device. And you want to have all the presets, all of the configurations wiped off of it and restored back to the way it was when it came out of the box. We can do this really easily on this. So all we're going to do is we need to have this radio turned off. And then while it's turned off, you're going to come in, you're going to press the push to talk button over here, and then the volume up and volume down buttons. All three of those buttons, you'll hold them simultaneously. And while holding those three buttons simultaneously, then you can go ahead and and power up the radio. And you'll know that it's worked correctly because on this display here, it will show factory reset. And then that's how you'll know it's done. And then you can go ahead and set it up as a new device.